Alright, I know that last video was a little long, but this will be pretty quick. I'm just going to go over those thinking questions from the last video, but this is our foundation as we move forward. So this first one, we wanted to see, will it make a triangle or not? And when I look at it, it's no, because when I add the two shorter sides, we're always adding the shorter sides. So 2 and 8 are obviously smaller than 12. So when we add 2 plus 8, we get 10, and 10 is not greater than 12, so that's why it does not make a triangle, okay? So I'm always looking at the shorter sides first, okay? Now those could be the first two. It might be like on this one, you see how we've got 7 and 6 are the shorter sides, and then 15's in the middle. So it doesn't matter the order of them, you're just always looking for the smaller sides first. That's what we want to add together, and if it's longer than the third side, then it's good, it's going to make a triangle. If it's not longer, it's not going to make a triangle. So when we look at this one, 7 plus 6 is only 13, and so that's not going to be long enough. That is not greater than 15, so nope, it doesn't work. So this is the question we're asking in our heads, is if we add these together and they're greater than that number, it will make a triangle. If they're not, then it won't, okay? So now on this one, I'm looking at the 6 and 6, and if I add those together, we get 12, which is greater than 11, so yes, this one will make a triangle. Okay, and the last one, we've got 10 and 18. Those are our shorter sides because they're smaller than 25. When you add those together, you get 28. 28 is longer than 25, so yes, these will also create a triangle. So if you're having any trouble with that, please feel free to ask. Otherwise, I hope you got the same answers as me. If not, that's okay. We'll keep practicing. But this is all I've got for you today, was to watch these two videos. So if you need to do extra math, please do so. If not, have a wonderful rest of your day.